Hi dear traders and investors, today is Tuesday, May 12th. I'm glad to share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Let's check the economic calendar first before we discuss my trading ideas. The highlight of the day is an inflation report in the US. The first instrument to discuss is gold. The one-week chart tells us that gold closed last trading week with a bullish pin bar candlestick. First, the price made a dip pullback and then broke an upward target as expected. What will happen next? For these, let's analyze a 4-hour chart. The price is likely to settle below the low of the current week. Perhaps it will touch a swing low. Only after that, we can plan short positions and trade downward, at least during a correctional move. On the other hand, there is a zone for opening buy positions. In a smaller time frame, we observe a decent bullish momentum. Currently, the instrument is hovering slightly above the swing low formed during the US session. The price failed to test the swing low, but it could happen later today. You may place a buy limit order below the lows in the 15-minute time frame and try to earn during a rally. The euro-dollar pair is confusing me. It has been trading lower. Those who place their stop losses above the highs of May 6, they remain in the market. I remind you that the key level for the euro-dollar pair is currently a 1-week low, which has just been broken. If the breakout is true, the bullish trend may reverse, so you may try to sell during a retracement. I warned you that the instrument could fall sharply for the long time. The main bearish target is 1.14. The price might fall 3,500 pips from the current levels. Let's try to earn this. A bad thing as an obstacle as usual. I mean a 4-hour time frame. If we consider a 15-minute time frame, a swing low has not been tested yet, and weekly highs have been updated. We remember the significant inflation data today. I remind you about the swing low formed on May 8, which has been tested. I painted green because of the bullish momentum. I mean that we can take part in the correctional move and sell. The pound-dollar pair has been sliding at a faster pace. Once I said that I expect a serious slump at least to 34.46 and 33.79. What can we do with this? In the 4-hour time frame, I found a swing high similar to the euro-dollar pair. The US dollar accounts for such similarity. A bearish impulse disrupted the previous upward momentum. Meanwhile, you may try to sell the pound sterling during a retracement with the two targets I mentioned earlier above. If we apply the Fibonacci grid, we see a 50% retracement. If the instrument climbs to this level, we may try to enter sell positions there. We may search for sell signals in smaller time frames. The USD CAD pair is going to update its lows of the previous month. The time is right for planning long positions. Having placed a stop loss 300 pips down, you could have earned 1,200 pips. The next profit taken could be 1,500 pips up. A profit-loss ratio is 5-to-1. The dollar-yen pair maintains the bullish momentum. Indeed, it closed last week with a bullish pin bar. Those who adopted my trading idea and bought the yen last week are now holding buy positions. Today, the Bank of Japan sold the yen. As a result, the dollar-yen pair fell to a swing low formed during the Asian session yesterday. Those who set a stop loss 300 pips down and a take profit 800 pips up could have been in the black. I reckon the highs of the last week will be updated for sure. The Bank of Japan also sees swing points and plans its swing strategies. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you online later this week.